welcome. Yesterday I make a video, you can see it in the description below, and I was need a camera and I was need a microphone and a lights, so I thought I can use a camera like this. For example, it's only have one hot shoe to put something on, so I can put light, microphone or whatever I decide, but only one thing. So then I took my aluminium rig from smallrig, and then I connect my camera, I connect the screw under, I connect the screw on the side, I put the light here, I put the microphone, and it's going to be nice, but for the short video I wanted to make, it was a little too much work. So I decide to 3D print this piece, and this piece, this is a very simple. It's transfer the one cold shoe from your camera into 3 cold shoe. So if I take it like this and then I connect it on the top and it slide just like that, I update the file so I can have a block on here. As you can see, it's a block, so it's not going to fall once you slide it in, it's not go through. So it's nice. You see, I can put a microphone and then I can put also a lights here, little LED lights if I want, and there I have the same function as I can do with this. I can do just with one single camera. This one of course I'm going to keep because it's sometimes very nice to have if you want to have a screen, if you want to have more heavy stuff. But for this is very nice, very simple to print, 1 hour or something to print, very simple. And there you have the effect of one small rig into one camera, and you can also put one more here if you want to put something else. If you need to put something else, you can put right in the middle. But this is very simple and nice. That's it for today. I just want to show you this very simple solution, how to have 3 cold shoe on one single camera. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friend. All the file on the description below that you can download and print if you have a 3D printer. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.